Now there is a super easy way to prepare this bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Now what I used to do, I used to take a table. I used to prepare a table. Okay, small table like this. This row is for the cash balance as per cash book. This balance is balance as per bank statement. This is cash book balance, this is bank. Okay. Now, depending on the differences, you just identify how many differences are there. You need these columns. In this case, we have only two differences. What is the difference? First one, we deposited 600. Okay. Did we debit our bank account? Yes. So therefore our balance is more. So therefore it is plus. More means plus. Has it been realized in the bank? Has the bank credited our account? No. So therefore balance is less. So put minus. Okay. This one. We have issued a check. The accountant has issued a check. We credited our bank account. So which means our bank balance is less. Cash book balance is less. So therefore minus. Has it been presented to the bank? No. Creditor did not present the check to the bank. So therefore bank did not issue money. So bank balance is more. Okay. Therefore plus. Only two differences. If you have more differences, you can continue this. Okay. Now we started with balance as per bank balance as per cash book. We have to arrive at what? Balance as per bank statement balance. Okay. So therefore, from cash book to bank statement, you need to arrive from this to this. So therefore, you should select this. Okay. The first transaction is 600. No. What you have to do? Minus. Okay. Second transaction is a plus. No. To arrive at cash book to bank statement balance, what you should do? Add. We added. So by doing this, it's easy, Puta. You understand? Take down this. And also, by applying this method, you can do the reconciliation the other way around also. You can take balance as per bank statement and you can arrive at balance as per cash book. I will do that also. With that we will conclude. Okay. So you are arriving from cash book balance to bank book balance. So then you have to take this column, this row, bottom row. So if it is minus, you minus it. If it is plus, you plus it. Okay. Now we'll just change this. Okay. We'll take balance as per bank statement and we have to arrive at balance as per cash book. You understand? Sometimes the examiner might ask. Okay. So balance, bank balance as per bank statement, bank balance as per cash book. Okay. So what is the bank statement balance? 2,500. Cash book balance? 2,800. Which means you need to add 300. Okay. Now we are taking the bank statement balance. We have to arrive at cash book balance. So from here to here. Then you need to take which row? This row. Okay. The first transaction. What is the first transaction? The deposit 600. We debited our bank account. We increased our bank account. Whereas the bank did not credit. They did not credit our bank account. So therefore, in order to arrive at the cash book balance, what you should do? You need to add 600. So what is this? Deposits not realized, or else you can say unrealized deposits. So you have to learn these words, unrealized deposits. Then this one, we deducted our balance, cash book. Cash book balance is credited, so their balance reduced, but the check was not presented. The bank balance is more. Okay, so therefore, to arrive at the cash book balance, what you have to do? Minus. So this is, you can say, unpresented checks. How much? 300. So this is 300. So 2500 plus 300, 2800. So if you can learn this method, either way you can prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Only thing is, you need to understand what is the impact, whether the balance is more or less, whether the bank statement balance is more or less, cash book balance is more or less. So this impact you need to identify. Then you can easily prepare the bank reconciliation statement, either taking the bank statement to cash book or cash book to bank. Only thing is, you have to see from where you are starting point. If it is bank statement, then you have to arrive at the cash book, you take the top row impact. Is that clear? I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, so next week I am going to discuss further more on bank reconciliation statement by taking more examples like bank charges, the standing orders, and sometimes the customers, they go and deposit in the bank directly without giving the check to us, to the company. Okay, so these kind of scenarios also we will include in the bank reconciliation statement, and we'll see how we can prepare the reconciliation statement. Okay, so with that I will conclude the session. So let's meet next week.